Try this hat on for me. What do you think of it?
Does it matter if it's wet?
It should dry on its own.
Because my hair is wet.
So would you wear that out in the street?
No,
Why not?
this is gay.
Quick question.
Get the light out of my face.
What do you think of this hat?
I don't care.
Look at this hat.
I really don't give a shit.
Why not?
Because it's a hat. It's just a fucking hat. It's a chrome hat.
What's wrong with chrome hats?
Just reflect everything off your head. It'd be kind of annoying.